Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix the "you are standing too close to the camera" error that a lot of applicants are getting. You do not need to go back to the FedEx or Walmart or Staples to retake the picture. You can simply fix this error by trial and error. Let's learn how to fix this error. Take a picture of your passport size photo that you got it from FedEx, Walmart or Staples by your cell phone. Now, transfer that photo to your computer and open the photo via MS Paint. Crop the image so that all the background will be removed. Now remove the background. Next, resize the image. Uncheck the Maintain Aspect Ratio and resize the image to 630 by 810 pixels. Save the picture again and upload it to the portal. Now, this time, the portal generated the error that most of you are getting, even though you got professional passport size pictures taken at FedEx or other reputable stores. The error is, you are standing too close to the camera. You need to stand 1.5 meters away from the camera. Let's fix this error. Carefully crop the image so that 80 to 85% of the head will be in the center of the picture. You can see that I cropped the top part closer to the hairline. The left and right parts were cropped to half of the shoulder and the bottom part up to the tip of the shirt. Make sure to resize it to 630 by 810 pixels. Save it again and upload it to the portal. Now, this time, the picture was uploaded successfully. Click on View to make sure that the picture has uploaded successfully. That standing too close to the camera error usually happens because the photo isn't cropped correctly. Try recropping the image several times, adjusting how much background is visible and how much of the shoulders need to be cropped, and keep uploading. With a bit of trial and error, it eventually goes through. The VFS Global has a tutorial on uploading the image as well. Click on Passport Services. Right under Step 1, click on the link. It has instructions on how to take the picture and then how to upload, remove background, crop, resize, and save. This is a really good guide to follow. Hopefully, this video has helped you fix the error. Don't forget to share with someone who is going through the same frustration. Thanks for watching.